Welcome to Create with Katerina. I'm glad you're here. Just in case you were looking for my business channel, then this is not that place. I just wanted to let you know, if you look up Katarina Cassette Business Strategies, that will bring you to my SEO, blogging, content creation channel, Business Strategies. But this channel, if you want to learn how to create, if you want to learn about where the good deals are on Temu and Dollar Tree, if you like to journal, sew, create products to sell, to use, to gift, cards, all of that great, wonderful crafting things that we can share with our talents with the world and learn new skills, then you're in the right place. Now, this is not a professionally, edited channel by any means. So if you're looking for like stage stuff and real pretty, that's not me. So I just need to get my content out there. I don't want to spend a ton of time doing editing and everything when I want to go on to the next project and when I want to show you something else, or I need to do something. I own 3 companies, so I have to kind of like not really divide myself, but really use good use of my time. Luckily, blessingly, one of the companies I own is a virtual assistant company. So I do have virtual assistants who help me a lot, but I also don't want to use their time for extravagant video editing when they can be helping me get my word out there and help me with social media and with making my phone calls and checking my emails, handling my Etsy store, things like that. That is a higher volume. I'm not trying to like do these videos to get monetized on YouTube. If that happens, awesome one day. But I've been on YouTube since it started, and I was monetized one time until they changed their rules, and then I kind of lost my excitement about it. So now I just want to share. I'm not really, those aren't my goals right now. So hopefully you will love this channel. Please subscribe, like this video, or you don't have to like this one, but like my channel, subscribe to my channel, like my videos. Let me know things that you want to learn. So some of the things, so I am a really big journal. I've been journaling since I was 12 years old. I love to journal. So I do bullet journaling, junk journaling, scripture journaling. I do a lot of different kinds of journaling, make our own journals, make my own book style journals and things like that, which I'm going to share with you a lot of tips and fun ways to do that, especially on a dime, like on just free stuff in your house. We're going to go through some of that. But I also love to shop at Dollar Tree and Temu and Amazon and stuff. And so I like to share those kind of videos with you as well. But I also want to learn new things, and I want to share with you how I learned those new things. I've been sewing since I was, I think, 10. I've been sewing for many, many decades. And so I can share a lot of my wisdom with that. But I want to learn how to do macrame. I want to learn candle making, soap making. So when I'm learning those things, and I also want to learn how to make like stickers, and I want to make my own notepads, things like that, right? And I also want to learn how to paint. I have it in here, and I can do it really good with AI. I can explain. I'm really good at photography, but to then make me draw it with my hands, it's been quite a struggle because my mother was an amazing artist, and I have a sister, super amazing artist. And I just look at them and I'm like, I'll never be like them. So I don't even try. But now as I get older, my inhibitions go a little bit. I'm not so self-conscious, and I want to try it before I leave the earth. I want to learn how to do some painting, and I have things in my brain that I want to get onto the paper. So that is another thing. I want to learn watercolors and alcohol markers and different things like that. So if you're interested in any of that and learn from somebody who's learning with you, I like to learn that way too. Once you have made a big success, so for instance, in one of my business, I am like at the top tier of that business. So for instance, I do SEO, search engine optimization. I do it so well. I can do it blindfolded, and I'm a super good writer and blogger, and I know I have all faith and confidence in those skills. But when I teach about that, I'm teaching from where I am now, not where I started. So I know that when I watch videos where someone's really successful now, and then I look at them and I go, oh, wow, I don't know that I could ever be like that. I don't know if I could ever reach that level. And I like to know, so I like to watch people who are actually making mistakes, actually saying, oops, that didn't work, because then I know I can make a mistake and say, oops, that didn't work. So I think there's some of you out there that are like that, because otherwise we just feel like we're never going to measure up. So hopefully this channel will help you with all of that. So I also do my craft room office/craft room tours. Befores and afters. I own a remodeling company, so I have a lot of that to share, not particularly how to remodel, but sharing my story and my progress on, because I create. That's creating, right? When you're thinking of a vision of what your office or craft room should look like, and then you put it into and turn it into fruition. It's amazing. So I'm really glad you're here. I hope that you do subscribe to my channel and let me know of anything that you might want to learn and have me do along with you.